Have you gotten bored with regular food? Let's experiment with snack size. Increase chips and reduce tacos. Bring giant popcorn to a movie theater and crunch mini nachos. Watch these and other recipes in our new video. Redhead is waiting for her friend. She must be having a snack somewhere. Then I will have a snack too. Here comes Dolly. She brings along a giant cup. These are huge peanuts. Has she actually increased them? Grind fried peanuts in a blender. Mix them with peanut butter. Make a big lump out of it and shape it into an oval so that it looks like a peanut. Make a few peanuts like this. Mix wasabi powder with salt and starch. Cover the peanut with this mixture nicely a few times. Let it dry. Coat the outside of a plastic bucket with black spray paint. Attach a big printed out label of the peanuts coated with wasabi. Put in the peanuts. This cute peanut looks like a dinosaur egg. A wasabi lover is going to hatch out of it. Dolly bites off the giant peanut. Mmm, tasty. Redhead dares to taste it too. Overall, it's not bad. Dolly is surrounded by snacks. Food is her BFF. Redhead wants to lure her friend out of the house. She has 2 movie tickets. Excellent! Let's get ready. Dolly prepares thoroughly so that she doesn't get hungry on her way to the movie. Flakes, fruit, a year's supply of carbs, and Oreo as a must. Where should she put a pear? Maybe Redhead can take it. But her friend is resolute. Leave it here. We have no extra tickets for food. In the movie theater, Dolly's stomach starts growling at once. This sound is louder than the Dolby Digital surround sound. I offer her my mini KFC chicken legs. Crush chips in fine crumbs, making breading. Put cheese into cubes and put them on top of the chips. Put everything into a microwave to make the cheese melt a little. Cover the warm cheese with the chips breading and shape it into mini chicken legs. Tear apart a paper cup. Cut off a half of it. Glue a small bucket. Make a bottom. And paint the bucket red. Attach a small KFC label. Put the mini chicken legs into the bucket. These chicken legs are so tiny, it is hard to see them in darkness. This is not the best food for the movie. I will leave these babies for my friend. I am going to get something more impressive. All of a sudden, the floor starts shaking. It's 'cause Dolly brings out the heavy artillery, giant popcorn. Draw a template of one side of a popcorn box on paper. It should be 5 times bigger than the regular one. Make allowances for gluing. Bend the paper in half and cut it out. Make a semicircular patterned edge. Trace the template on cardboard. Draw lines and paint each other stripe red. Cut out the box and make one more identical detail. Fold up the allowances and join the 2 details to make a giant popcorn box. Use double-sided foam tape. Make a cardboard bottom. Print out a big popcorn label and attach it onto the box. Cook popcorn in a microwave by following the instructions. Fill the box with it. First thing that emerges from the darkness is a giant popcorn box. and Dolly's head can be seen behind it. This is the size she loves. If you don't like the movie, you can bomb everything around with the popcorn. Or you can share it with your friends. Redhead is deep into reading, and Dolly is in the middle of a game looking for a tiny chips bag. Soak chips in water and cut out small circles with a cap. Let them dry on parchment paper. Cover a piece of yellow paper with a small chips label and attach with clear tape. Make the package using double-sided tape. Put in the mini chips. The first bag is hiding right behind Redhead. Hurry! I have found it! These chips are super tiny, but the sound of munching distracts Redhead from reading. Oops! I sneak away immediately. Hungry Dolly can't find anything delicious in the kitchen. She doesn't like plain fruit. She would like to have something more substantial. A pizza, a burger, or even a whole lamb. I am here to help my friend. I'm going to bring peanut butter. Put some peanut butter into a little jar and attach a tiny label using double-sided tape. Dolly is looking forward to getting her peanut butter. She's prepared toast and a knife. She is going to cover the toast with a thick layer of the yummy. Who could suppose the portion would be so tiny? How can I get it out? We managed to shake it out of the jar. This tiny portion won't be enough even for one slice of toast. Dolly is angry. It looks like a food sample. A huge bag of chips is a perfect snack for Dolly. Phew! She's hardly managed to bring them to the sofa. Open, bite, and crunch! Add 1 egg yolk to 7 ounces of mashed potato. Add 1 ounce of butter, turmeric, and salt. Put 3 tablespoons of flour and knead the dough. Fold foil 10 times. Put a sheet of parchment paper on top and fold them together accordion style. Sprinkle a board with starch and roll out the dough to get a thin layer. Put it onto the foil with parchment paper. Let it follow the corrugated shape. Put it into an oven for 20 to 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix paprika with vegetable oil and apply it onto the baked chip. Attach foil to one side of a big paper piece to make a package. Attach a big printed out chips label to the other side. Hot glue the package and put in the big chips. How about making a cute photo shoot? A giant chip barely fits into a shot, but I look like a tiny fairy in comparison to it. And here comes Redhead. She should see how cute my photos are. But she doesn't come empty-handed. She brings healthy fruit, and she takes away my chips. It's time for a healthy snack. Of course, it's great, but a photo with a pear won't get a ton of likes. Dolly has a whole plate of cookies, but she is fed up with them. Redhead brings healthy veggies, but she doesn't like them either. There is nobody you can amaze with veggies nowadays. Still, if you make mini tacos with them, it's a whole different story. Cut out a circle out of flat bread with a cutter. Bend it in half and fasten with a toothpick. Let it dry in a microwave. Let's prepare the stuffing now. Chop cucumber, tomato, lettuce, corn, and fried ground meat finely. Mix everything and put the stuffing into the dry flatbread. Attach a small Mexican taco label to a piece of paper. Fold it into a triangle and put the mini taco in it. Redhead bites off the tiny snack with caution, but this is actually very delicious. It's a pity that we run out of mini tacos so fast, and now we have only cookies and veggies again. Did you like our snack ideas? Then write in your comments which size of chips you will choose. Will you take a chance to bring a huge box of popcorn to the movies? Or will you treat your friends with mini tacos? And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new creative food ideas on the Troom Troom channel.